You see, with the brown man situation, I how Silk Boss do him song about it quick and fast in a hurry. Me personally, as I said, I do have a video about this already. You can check my page. It should be the video right after this one, right? But anyway, before we even go no further, ensure that you like, follow, share, and comment. I'm trying to create a community of well-thinkers. And if you're not a well-thinking Jamaican or well-thinking individual in general, just scroll past my video, right? So, let me continue. Silk Boss is not the only artist who glorifies badness. And I don't want us to forget that he's not the only one. He's just the most recent one. Mavado does it, and Mavado is one of my favorite artists from Jamaica. Cartel does it, I know Cartel is a majority of people's favorite artist. Bounty Killer, Beanie Man, Massacre, Alkaline, you name it, they have done it. They glorify these gangsters and these murderers in our country. So if you're going to take my advice from that first video, as I said before this, where I said straight up black Silk Boss, or another option is, once you hear them do certain song like the one he did, do not listen to it. If you take my advice about him, you need to take my advice about every single dancehall artist. And again, if you're not a well-thinking Jamaican, if you're not a well-thinking individual, leave my video alone. Don't watch it. If you're serious about wanting Jamaica culture of badness to change, if you're serious about wanting Jamaica culture of dunceness to change, you will, whenever you hear any of these artists, be it Cartel, Mavada, whoever it is, you will, once you hear them singing anything about badness, you will not listen to it, or you will block them. And I'm dead serious. I'll be doing it. I might not block them, but because as a matter of fact, I'm going to want a story. To show you guys how powerful music is. And I think I've told this story already, because as a matter of fact, this video got long because I just had the party up on it. When I was younger, throughout primary school and high school, or the first part of high school, I was a very violent young man. I was a very violent young man, and not the violent as in I go out and look trouble. But if you troubled me, trust and believe say me I go defend it. Tell me if it's up my mother, trust and believe you get a box. Now, anybody who know me from school can tell you. However, I made a conscious decision when I turned 18 that this type of violence and this type of anger over these simple things is not necessary. You know what I did, and it was actually a good change, and it actually made a difference? I stopped listening to violent music, specifically violent dancehall music, because I was just a fan of dancehall. I still am. And I kid you not, it made a drastic change. So again, do not listen to these music about badness and murder and gang and stuff. Do not listen to them. If you're not going to block the artist, which I understand, if you're not going to block the artist, do not listen to those music that they do. Make when them do them type of music there, them not do numbers, so them stop do it. But yeah, again, these are just my thoughts. What are yours? Drop them in the comment section.